Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, this is your host Asad Shah. How are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion, and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and viewers, stay with us and see our latest fresh designs and stylish videos. My dear friends, today I am going to show you some of the best and the latest designs of plain bodycon dresses and midi dresses for working women. My dear friends, these dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And these designs are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely viewers, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, there is a small red button. Yes, you got it right. The very subscribe button is always there for you to click, and if you are my subscriber, then I am expecting a like or comment from you. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. Discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. Look through our collection. Once to know what we are talking about, you are bound to fall in love with them at first sight. My dear friends, you have come to this page in search for something, and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. We want to make sure you find those ever so specific outfits like prom dresses, lace sundresses, bodycon dresses, cocktail dresses, the list goes on. So friends and my lovely viewers, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends, please subscribe to my channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all, guys.